Hi there YouTube and welcome to Tech Cravers. I want to start this video by expressing my deepest gratitude for the response I got and still get on my review of the AYN Odin Pro. It means a lot to me, so thank you. And now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about why you clicked on this video. AYN just sent out their latest update 1.0.2.8, which fixes a lot of bugs but also enables what you see on your screen now, dynamic wallpapers. So I thought that I'd show you how to fix it and also how to get one of my personal favorites. Let's get to it. Now, as you can see, I have already gotten a notification that I have a new update from Android. However, I will take the slow path in this video and show you where you can manually download it. Just go to Settings, scroll down to System, click on Advanced and scroll down to Updater. This is where you'll find every update that AYN sends out. Click on Check Update and you will be prompted with the new update. Click on Update and be ready to wait for a while since it's gonna take a few minutes. And once the update is complete, you will get the option to restart your system. Do that, and while your device is restarting, you can head over to your computer. On your computer, you want to open Steam and search for the software Wallpaper Engine. Unfortunately, this is a paid app, but it's only €4 and it's a one-time payment, so do it, it's gonna be worth it. Now launch the software and you can already choose from a few free dynamic wallpapers for your computer, but we're going to connect our Odin to our PC so that we can transfer wallpapers between our PC and our Odin. So click on the tab Mobile and we will get this 4-digit code. Now pick up your Odin and head over to Google Play Store. Search for Wallpaper Engine and download the same app on your Odin. Now, a few of you might just want to choose one of the wallpapers that you have here. Feel free to try them out if you want to. However, we are still going to connect our Odin to our PC. Simply tap the Add button in the right corner and choose Pair with Computer. You should see your computer in the list, so tap it and then enter the 4-digit number that you got from the wallpaper engine on your PC. And just like that, you're now connected with the account that you have on your PC. And why is this important? It's because every wallpaper that you acquire on your PC will now be able to be transferred over to your Odin. Head over to the link in my description and make sure to subscribe to this scene. That will put it among the other wallpapers in the Wallpaper Engine software. Simply right click on it and head down to Send to Mobile Device and click on the weird name device. Here you will be able to choose if you want to send it in high quality, balanced or high performance. I'm gonna choose high quality. It's gonna take a few seconds and then you can head over to your Odin. Here you can just simply open Wallpaper Engine and your new dynamic wallpaper should be there. And that's it for this short tutorial on how to get dynamic wallpapers running on your AYN Odin. I hope you liked it. If it helped you out, let me know by leaving a comment or a like down below. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.